Stand up on your head and then recite a limerick.
What's a limerick?
A limerick is a type of poem that is written in 5-line, predominantly anapestic and amphibrach trimeter, with a strict rhyme scheme of AABBA.
Huh?
Okay, let me give you an example. There was a young man from Dealing who caught the bus for Ealing. It said on the door, "Don't spit on the floor." So he jumped up and spat on the ceiling. Wanna try? An elderly man called Keith mislaid his set of false teeth. They've been laid on a chair. He forgot they were there. Sat down and was bitten beneath. Hiccup! Sorry, Mango.